Welcome dear students. In today's class we'll be discussing about the different types of micrometers, mainly the two types, that is thread gauge micrometer and bench micrometer. So these two micrometers we will be discussing in today's class. Thread gauge micrometer. So what is this thread gauge micrometer? It is a device used to measure the pitch diameter of a screw thread. So if I want to measure this pitch diameter of a screw thread, I will be using this thread gauge micrometer. Then it is similar to an ordinary micrometer. Whatever ordinary micrometer we are using, it is similar to that of a ordinary micrometer. Then it consists of a spindle and a double V annual. So this spindle and double V annual both are being made in such a way that the screw thread for which you are going to measure, right, is going to have a contact with that screw thread. This is a diagram of a thread gauge micrometer. It consists of an annual, then the spindle which rotates, and the workpiece which has a threads or a screw thread. So when I rotate this, what happens? The micrometer, the spindle inside rotates, and you can see the graduations on the micrometer. So this annual, whatever you can see, is not fixed. It is free to rotate. You can rotate this annual. Then this V annual can accommodate itself to any range of a thread. So whatever range of a thread you have, for that rake of the thread you can arrange this. When the conical spindle, it has got this conical spindle, that is that spindle, you can see this spindle here. This is that conical spindle. This is the conical spindle. The conical spindle is brought into contact with the V of the annual. So you can see this shape, it is in the form of a V, like this. And then the spindle goes and sits into this V. The yellow color what I am showing you is the spindle, and the green color is the shape of the annual, which is V in shape. The micrometer reads 0. So when both are in contact with each other, what happens? What is the reading? It coincides with this 0. You can see here, this is that 0. 0 on the micrometer. Then the angle of the V annual and the conical part of the edge of the spindle corresponds to the inclined angle of the profile of the thread. So whatever is that inclined angle of the profile of the thread, then for that inclined angle, this angle matches. The micrometer spindle is moved over the screw whose pitch diameter is to be measured. So I want to measure this diameter of this pitch. So when I want to measure the diameter of this pitch, then what I am doing, I am going to move this micrometer. You can see here in the next slides. So this is that V, and then the spindle, both are coinciding. It shows 0 on the main scale. The thread, whatever you can see, the pitch of the thread, the angle of the thread, the plank, the thickness of the thread, minor diameter, major diameter. Then what we do, we measure this diameter, and then for this diameter we are going to have the readings, and then this thread gauge micrometer is used to measure the pitch diameter of the screw thread. Whatever pitch diameter we want to measure, we are going to measure this using this screw thread. The next is called as bench micrometer. So what is this bench micrometer? Bench micrometer is a linear measurement, and it is best suitable instrument for thread measurements where the work must be brought to the gauge. So we are bringing this workpiece to this gauge where this bench micrometer is placed. Then what does it consist of? You can see the next diagram. It consists of a indicator here. You can see this indicator. Then it consists of knurled thumb and supports. You can see this supports. This one and this one are the two supports. Then you have the knurled supports and then the locking of the micrometer, and the thread is going to be placed in between these two jaws, 1 and 2, holding jaws or holding centers, what you call it as. And then these two, which I am going to show with some other color, blue color, that is one and this end are the two measuring centers, or they are called as measuring anvils. And you have a micrometer head, you can say this micrometer head, where the readings are taken. This is about the bench micrometer. Then you can use this micrometer to measure. So you are placing this between the two holding centers. You can see these two holding centers. In between these two holding centers, the standard cylinder is placed, and then measuring anvil is placed to note down the standard readings for calibration. And then we remove this standard cylinder and then place the screw thread. This is a screw thread which is placed between the holding centers and the measuring anvils. So these two are the measuring anvils and these two are the holding centers. So in between that they are placed, and then you can measure the dimensions of the screw thread. So this is about the screw thread gauge and bench micrometer. So in the next class we will take up angle measurement. Thank you.